Did you know that only half of Americans have actually figured out how much they need to save for their golden years? And get this, even when they have a chance to join a 401k plan at work, a whopping 25% don't jump on it. The average person spends about 2 whole decades in retirement. That's a lot of time to enjoy, but only if you've got enough cash stashed away. The sad reality is that hardly everyone retires comfortably. Only a few of us know how to secure their retirement from the outset, making sure they not only survive during retirement, but thrive. I'm Will, and I teach people about investing, personal finance, and money. I've walked the path you seek, and today I have several businesses and investments that provide me income every single month, meaning I never have to work another day in my life. If you plan on becoming financially free, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you find this video valuable. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 clever ways to secure your retirement before age 55. All right, the first smart way to ensure a snug retirement is start saving smartly. Retirement can really cost a pretty penny. Experts tell us that to keep up with the lifestyle we're used to, we'll need about 70 to 90% of what we earned before we called it quits at work. So how do we tackle this? It's all about getting ahead of the game. First things first, grab some solid info. There are great resources out there like Savings Fitness, a guide to your money and your financial future. And if you're closer to retirement age, Taking the Mystery Out of Retirement Planning is a gem. These guides are like roadmaps to your financial future. And trust me, you'll want to have them in your back pocket. There's a link for both in the description box below. Now, if you've already started saving, whether it's for retirement or another goal, hats off to you. Keep that momentum going because savings is one of those habits that really pays off. But if you haven't started yet, don't sweat it. It's never too late to begin. Start with what you can, even if it feels small, and then try to up the ante each month. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Think of it like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger it'll grow. It's all about making retirement saving a top priority. Sketch out a plan, stick to it, and set your sights on some clear goals. Whether you're just starting out or you're getting close to retirement, remember, it's never too early or too late to start building that nest egg. So the first clever way to secure your retirement before 55 is to start saving now and sticking to your goals. The next thing you need to do is unlock the power of pension and 401k plans. This one's all about making the most of what your employer offers. I'm talking about pension plans and retirement saving plans like 401ks. First off, if your workplace has a traditional pension plan, you've got to get the lowdown on this. Are you covered? How does it work? Grab an individual benefits statement to see what you're stacking up. And if you're thinking about switching jobs, make sure you know what's going to happen to your pension. Also, don't forget to check out any benefits you might have from old jobs or maybe from your spouse's plan. Then there's this handy guide, What You Should Know About Your Retirement Plan, that can give you the full scoop, and again, the link to this is down below. Now, if there's a 401k or similar plan at work, jump on that train as soon as you can. Contributing to these plans is a no-brainer. You get to lower your taxes, your company might add a bit extra to your pot, and those automatic deductions, they make savings effortless. The real magic happens over time with compound interest and tax breaks. These perks can seriously boost your savings. Make sure you understand your plan well, like how much to chip in to get the max from your employer, and how long you need to stay to pocket that money. And if your employer doesn't have a retirement plan, why not give them a nudge to start one? There's a bunch of simple options out there that could benefit both you and your employer. Overall, tapping into your employer pension plans and maximizing your contributions to retirement savings plans like 401ks can really supercharge your journey to a comfortable retirement. The third key for securing a comfortable retirement is balancing risk and reward for your retirement. This one's all about the smart way to save, because how you save your money is very crucial to save yourself from inflation. Inflation is like that sneaky character in a movie, always lurking around, and it can really nibble away at your savings. Plus, the types of investments you pick play a huge part in what you'll end up with when retirement rolls around. It's essential to get to know how your savings or pension plan is invested. Don't shy away from asking questions about your plan's investment options. One of the best golden rules of investing is to not put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your savings across different types of investments. This strategy is called diversification, and it's a smart way to balance risk and boost your returns. Your investment strategy isn't set in stone either. It should evolve as you age and as your goals and financial situation change. Financial security is a puzzle, and knowledge is a key piece. The more you understand about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make decisions that will grow your retirement fund. So understanding and applying basic investment principles like diversification can really amp up your savings game. The fourth clever way to secure your retirement is the power of individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, if used correctly, can be a secret weapon in your retirement saving arsenal. So here's the deal. You can stash away up to $6,000 a year in one of these accounts. If you're 50 or older, you can put in even more. And guess what? You don't have to start that big. You can begin with a smaller amount, and that's totally okay. The cool part about IRAs is the tax benefits they offer. When you decide to open an IRA, you've got two choices, a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. Each type has its own way of handling taxes on your contributions and withdrawals. Plus, the actual value of what you pull out at retirement will hinge on things like inflation and the kind of IRA you go for. One of the best things about IRAs is how easy they make saving. You can set up an automatic system where a certain amount gets whisked away from your checking or savings account straight into your IRA. It's like putting your retirement savings on autopilot. By tapping into the potential of IRAs, you're giving yourself an extra boost towards building that retirement fund. As always, every little bit counts, and these accounts are here to make your journey smoother. All right, so the fifth and final way to make sure your retirement is secured before you turn 55 is safeguarding your future. This one's crucial. It's all about keeping your hands off your retirement savings and getting savvy with Social Security benefits. First off, let's talk about your retirement savings. I know it's tempting to dip into that pot for immediate needs, but here's the thing. If you do, you're not just taking out the money you saved, you're also saying goodbye to the interest it could have earned, plus you might lose some tax benefits or get hit with withdrawal penalties. If you're switching jobs, it's smarter to either leave your savings in your current plan or roll them over to an IRA or your new employer's plan. This way, your retirement fund keeps growing, untouched, and safe. Now on to Social Security. On average, Social Security benefits replace about 40% of your income before you retire. That's a big chunk. To get a handle on what you might get, use the Retirement Estimator on the Social Security Administration's website. It's a super useful tool. Understanding how Social Security benefits work is key to planning your retirement finances. Stay informed, and your future self will thank you. I hope you feel empowered and informed about planning for your retirement. Remember, retirement planning isn't just about stashing away money. It's about making smart, informed choices that align with your future goals. From understanding your employer's pension plan to mastering the art of IRA contributions, these steps bring you closer to a secure and enjoyable retirement. Don't forget, the earlier you start, the better. Every small step today can lead to a significant impact down the road. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, stay consistent with your savings and investment strategies. If you've ever wondered whether $1 million is enough to retire, I suggest you check out this video next to find out the truth.